And it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and that is a 16 by 20 inch canvas. This is a bunch of turquoises, color shifting, peacock, you name it, it's in there, and a lot of them are metallics. And I want to give myself an opportunity to make a sky and then water below. That is the Meeden white paint, which I'm going to give myself a little bit more of in a second, right after I spread this. Be good if I hadn't taken my glasses off. Excuse me. They are across the room. I'm all set. All right. So there's my starting point. And that layer of white paint is going to be the protective layer, I hope, to keep anything from staining the canvas, i.e. the purples or the pinks I'm thinking about adding. I'm going to swivel this puppy around, grab that little bit of paint that spilled on my tile, give it the top edge a little bit. I know, spreading paint, that's it. Let me get my tweezers. On my Amazon link are these wonderful stainless steel tweezers. I have 2 pair because I put stuff down and I don't find it. So it's very convenient, these tweezers. I really want, really want to pull that down. I'm afraid if I put more paint on there, I'm going to have more weird objects in my paint. But right now, I don't actually think I care. The spatula will often get rid of a lot of the bubbles, which I really appreciate. Alright, so there's my layer of white paint. And I'm fussing. Stop fussing. That was Anita's white metallic with some pink added to it. That's some hot orchid. This is some Arteza. I'm going to throw in some Anita's white metallic. I'm going to see what happens when I tip that around to begin with. And I may swipe. I'd like to throw chain in there or something. I could definitely swipe with one of my little tools. I did just wash them. I have 1, 2, 3. Only one is really good size for doing stuff like this. This is definitely an experiment that I have wanted to make. These tools are great for going over the edges too. I think I'm going to throw some more Anita's white metallic in there. What do I want? I want something. Maybe I want to smear. I could smear. I love that color. I don't think an entire sky that color is going to hurt anybody's feelings. And I've gotten rid of most of the striations, which is okay. definitely want to use the rest of that paint. Throw that in the bucket, grab my straw. Put a cloud in my sky. Whoop! Unexpected drippage. I don't know why it would be unexpected though. I like that cloud. I think I want some more, and I'm going to hit those, get rid of those bubbles right now. Let's just do that again. Oh, I found a good place for the pink paint that came off the other side. Meeden paint will sell. I do often think that I could put some spirals and things, but I'm not sure that these need that to happen. I might want to grab an edge catcher and let everything flow across a little bit. I don't mind the spirals, but I think I need a different straw so I don't water the clouds. I'm really tempted to do the same thing on the bottom. Spreading a layer of paint. To help the paint that I've got flow. I do see that I have an opportunity right here. What is that? I have no idea. Love that sky. Oh, I've got all kinds of room for improvement up here too. I think I'll be able to fix that, no problem. I'm very tempted to just go ahead and grab something to swipe across with. And I can use any and all paint. I picked up on that little swipe card to fill in across the top too. That is my swipe card down there, my edge catcher. So I love those clouds, and now I'm going to try and figure out what to use down below. And I think it's handy, so I'm going to use the Meeden white again. Because paint will flow to paint. This is an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. OXO, oh gosh, there's another name that goes with it. Anyway, it's on my Amazon link should you happen to be interested. I introduced the paint pouring community to this wondrous, amazing paint spreading tool, and I recommend everybody has some. If I had some pink in the bottom, it wouldn't matter. because the sky is pink, so the water could have some pink in it. But unless I have it mixed up in advance, it's not going to work the way I would like it to. But there's my water. Let's just do it. Let's put some Meeden white in there. Some pink. Some more pink. Some purple flash. And a little hot orchid. And then, what am I going to stick in there? I'm going to stick a skewer in there. Ever so briefly. And I forgot I was going to stick some Prussian blue in there, so that's going to happen in a minute. And maybe some navy from Anita's. Maybe some Venetian blue. There's my Prussian blue. I forget my turntable isn't level. Okay, let's grab that edge catcher again. I see something that does not belong again. Come here, thing. Rather large thing. Let's turn the turntable around so I can turn the picture and line up my edge catcher. Now, if I want, I can definitely go through the ocean and put some cell activator on a tool. I'm going to keep tipping until I get closer to what I want. And then I'm going to take that paint put it right on the bottom, as much of it as I can get off. Use my larger edge catcher. Oh, we got a bunch of paint over there. Paint alert! How do I get that? I want that paint. Where's the smaller edge catcher gone? Okay, there's a spatula right there. That'll work. I've just discovered a little... Oh, I made a wave. Let's put that in the bucket. I don't know what that is. But I am ready to try again and let this whole ocean go down. And whatever is left behind on the edge catcher will become part of the resolve, part of the fix for the gaps. So we've got our bottom. I've got my spare paint. Wow, rough seas. try and install a horizon line. And integrate the pink, because there's already pink in there, so it shouldn't be a problem. Makes me want to run my basting brush through there, but I kind of also like what's happening. I've got something to fix down here. I may not need to do anything to that. I might want to do something to this though. Okay. Storm surge. That looks like a very angry sea. With swells. I think I have a scrape dish around here and I'm going to probably need it. Oh, I'm dripping off this side. Oh, and I have a place I need paint. Cool. It's covered now. A couple spots. I could use a little stolen paint on the edge of my canvas. It's nice and heavy. Okay, that is time's up, and I like how my clouds reacted. I got rid of most of my paint. I need to rinse off my hands. If ever so briefly. I suppose I could put an island at the back over here. I kind of like the idea of there being part of the sky dipping down. Just drag a skewer right across. That's better. They do look like there are islands on the horizon. Alright, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, reminding you that I have over 2,200 videos, and if you need something and you can't find it, by looking through all playlists, creative playlists on my YouTube channel, you can always ask me, because I have them all organized by the 100 in topic and genre, and I can usually find what you're looking for. And I'm happy to do so. If you have questions, same thing, please feel free to ask me questions. I have no problem with questions. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch them longer, you help me out. When you watch them when the notifications come out, you help me out. I'm just down here scraping off the paint off my edge catcher, and I'm going to put it in my scrape dish and use it for something else tomorrow if I can liven up the paint from yesterday that I forgot to use, which is right there. So it's time to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I love the look of the ocean, even that black spot. Really? Do you really love that black spot? No, I don't really love that black spot. It's blue. I got 1 minute left to tell you thank you for all the donations that have helped keep me painting all this time. I really appreciate your help, and I appreciate your morale boosting comments. If you'd like to be able to be entered in the monthly drawing to possibly win one of the artworks that I have up for grabs that is shared with you at the beginning of the exhibition video, that's always on the end screen in the last 20 seconds, look for the PayPal icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, or look for the link on my link tree. Also on my link tree, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students. I really think I want to do this again some point in time, and try and swipe with the white cell activator, but I didn't do that here, and that is okay with me. I love a pink sky, and I love a wild sea, and this is both of those things. I have spring clothing under the video for